May problema ba?
How did you know that Mom was the right woman for you?
Honestly, at that time, I wasn't sure. But I was sure of my love for her. Alam ko na mahal ko siya. Alam ko na siya ang unang gusto kong makita pagising ko at huling pagmasdan bago matulog. Son, marriage is not easy. May pagtatalo, may away, may tampuhan. May mga times na tatanungin mo sarili mo, tama ba na pinakasalan ko siya?
Pinagdaanan niyo rin ni Mami yan?
Siyempre, hindi kami perfecto. But these imperfections only made our love for each other stronger.
But what if hindi ganun yung nangyayari?
Maybe your love for each other is not strong enough to begin with.